Good day, everyone. We are the Group 4, and today we are proud to present our final project, Teleretina Intelligent Screening and Patient Record Management System for Early Diabetic Retinopathy. I am Heart Nicole Castillo, and I am here together with Mr. Ken Jovini Samonte, the project leader, Mr. Kirby Del Mundo, Miss Altea Abajes, and Miss Sara Abellera. Together, we have built an end-to-end solution that bridges the gap between advanced artificial intelligence and practical healthcare.
Diabetic retinopathy, or DR, is a leading cause of blindness worldwide. The problem is that its earliest signs, tiny microaneurysm, are often invisible to the naked eye until it's too late. Manual screening is slow, error-prone, and inaccessible in many areas.
Teleretina solves this. It is a web-based clinical decision support system. It doesn't just classify images, it provides an ecosystem. It uses deep learning to detect these tiny lesions with high accuracy, explain its findings using visual heat maps, and manages patient records securely, allowing doctors to triage patients faster and more effectively.
Our project was built with four objectives in mind. 1. Maximize sensitivity. We aim for a target accuracy of 75% using class weighing to ensure we don't miss critical or rare cases of severe disease. 2. Optimize pre-processing. We implemented CLA-HE enhancement on the green channel of the images to make those subtle microaneurysms pop out for the AI. 3. Ensure trust. We integrated GrandCam or explainable AI so doctors aren't just trusting a black box so they can exactly know where the AI found the problem. 3. Actionable output. Finally, we deploy this via a dual mode web interface that gives clear, actionable recommendations for both doctors and patients.
Now, we will demonstrate the system in action.
This is our landing page. We designed this to be accessible to the general public. As you scroll down, we have an educational section explaining the stages of diabetic retinopathy, raising awareness about symptoms. A unique feature for patients is our clinic locator. By clicking Use My Location, the system uses the geolocation API to find the user's position and dynamically displays nearby ophthalmology clinics and an interactive map. This ensures that if a patient screens positive, they know exactly where to go for help.
By clicking Portal brings us to our secure login system. Privacy is critical in healthcare. We have two access modes, the clinician and the patient. So for the clinician, we require a secure access code. In this case, 0629 is the access code. This prevents unauthorized users from accessing the medical database. Once authenticated, we enter the clinician dashboard.
This is the heart of the system. Sara Abellera will now demonstrate the AI analysis.
I am now uploading a fundus image. The system now preprocesses it to 380 by 380 pixels and applies our CLAHE enhancement. Within seconds, we will get the results.
As you can see, the AI classified this as no diabetic retinopathy. with a 97.39 confidence score. It also provides an immediate clinical recommendation. Routine screening is recommended.
But how do we trust this? Here is our GradCam feature. By dragging the slider, the doctor can overlay a heat map on the original scan. These red areas verify that the AI is indeed looking at the hemorrhage and not just background noise.
Once a diagnosis is made, the clinician can save it. It will click Add New Patient, enter a name like Mark Justin Palma, and click Save. This sends the data to our MongoDB database, creating a permanent record that tracks this patient's progress.
And finally, we have the patient view. If I log in as Mark Justin Palma using my patient ID, I see a simplified version. If I can change records, but I can see my history and my latest results in simple, non-medical language. This empowers patients to take charge of their own eye health.
Now, let's simulate a follow-up visit. Suppose our patient, Mr. Mark Justin Palma, returns after 6 months for a checkup. We don't want to create a duplicate profile. We want to track his progress. I will upload his new Fonda scan. The AI analyzes it and detects PDR. To save this, I click the update button instead of add new. This opens our patient database. I can search by name or ID. I will type Mark. I select his existing profile and click Attach Scan. The system confirms the update. This action triggers a specific backend process. Instead of overwriting Mark's data, our MongoDB system appends this new diagnostic result to his existing document history.
This allows the system to build a longitudinal timeline. Both the doctor and the patient can look back and see if the condition is improving or deteriorating over time, which is essential for a long-term disease management.
That includes our demonstration of teleretina. We have built a system that is accurate, interpretable, and secure ready to assist doctors in saving vision.